Hey there, science fans. Bill Nye here, ready to break down a topic cooler than a dip in the Pacific: genetics. Genetics! It's the science of you, me, and that surfer catching gnarly waves at Mavericks. Hidden within each of us is a microscopic world, our genes. These tiny blueprints determine everything about us, from our eye color to our food preferences. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of dominant and recessive traits. So buckle up, science enthusiasts. We're about to embark on a wild ride through the double helix, exploring the amazing world of genetics. All right, let's break it down science style. Every living thing, from the majestic redwoods to that squirrel hoarding acorns, has traits. These traits are characteristics that make us, well, us. They're passed down from parents to their offspring through these tiny things called genes. Imagine genes as little instruction manuals, each one carrying the code for a specific trait. You got one set of these manuals from your mom and another from your dad, making you a unique blend of their genetic awesomeness. But here's the kicker. Some genes are louder than others. We call these dominant genes, like the life of the party that always steals the show. Then there are the more laid-back genes, the recessive ones, content to chill and observe from the sidelines. Let's talk dominant traits, the head honchos of the genetic world. These guys are like the Hollywood stars of your DNA. If you inherit even one copy of a dominant gene, bam! That trait is going to shine. Take brown eyes, for example. It's a dominant trait. If either your mom or dad passed down the gene for brown peepers, chances are you're sporting those warm, chocolatey orbs. Dominant traits can influence all sorts of things, from your ability to roll your tongue to whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Now, let's not forget about the underdogs of the genetic world, recessive traits. These guys are like those hidden gems in California. You know, those off-the-beaten-path beaches or that hole-in-the-wall taco stand. They might not always be in the spotlight, but when they make an appearance, it's unforgettable. Here's the deal with recessive traits. They play it cool, lurking in the background until they get the right genetic cue. They need two copies of the recessive gene, one from mom, one from dad, to make their grand entrance. Take blue eyes, for example. It's a recessive trait, meaning both parents need to contribute a blue eye gene for a child to inherit those baby blues. Red hair is another example. Both parents need to carry the recessive red hair gene for a chance of their child inheriting those fiery locks. But remember, just because a trait is recessive doesn't mean it's any less awesome. It just means it takes a little more genetic teamwork for it to shine through. Think of it like our diverse ecosystems. From the deserts to the redwoods, each one plays a crucial role in making California so unique. We Californians are a unique breed, right? We've got our own language, our own style, and an unyielding love for all things avocado. But have you ever wondered where these quirks come from? Look no further than your genes. Take our laid-back attitude, for example. Some might call it chill, others might say we're horizontally inclined. Whatever you call it, this easygoing nature is practically written in our DNA. And let's not forget our adventurous spirit. From scaling Half Dome to surfing Mavericks, we Californians are always up for a challenge. It's in our blood, passed down through generations of explorers, dreamers, and sunset chasers. But perhaps the most quintessentially Californian trait of all is our unwavering optimism. No matter what life throws our way, earthquakes, wildfires, traffic jams, we always find a reason to smile. It's like those vibrant wildflowers that bloom after a long, dry spell, a testament to our resilience, our hope, and our unwavering belief in the Golden State. So next time you find yourself craving an acai bowl or deciding to learn how to surf, just remember, it's not your fault, it's your genes. As we wrap up our whirlwind tour of dominant and recessive traits, let's take a moment to appreciate the bigger picture. Genetics isn't just some abstract science confined to textbooks and labs. It's personal. It's the story of you, me, and every living thing on this planet. Understanding how genes work gives us a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity of life on Earth. By unraveling the secrets of our DNA, we can develop new treatments for diseases, create personalized medicine, and even unlock the mysteries of our ancient ancestors. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one making groundbreaking discoveries that change the world. After all, you've got the genes for it.